Alright guys, we just got out here on the water. Hopefully we can catch some fish. We were talking to some other guy. He said the temperature is about 50 degrees. The water temperature is 50 degrees. So we're going to see what we can do. We'll get back to you when we get some fish, so stay tuned. I got that on the Hags Tornado F5, gray pumpkin color. It's about 50 degree water, and that's why I got a little bass. Pretty nice. Let it go. Yes. Look, it's his first fish. Fish of the year on a Pearl City jig. Yeah. You can tell that they're feeding on crawfish pattern if you look at the lip. Awesome. There we go. Dang. Get it, look, get it. Yeah, nice one. Lip it. Second one of the day. Caught on a KVD 1.5 crankbait. Not a bad one. We'll go ahead and let it go. Seriously. Little one. There you go. Hey guys, we just got off the water. It was an okay day. I caught 4. I lost 1. I caught 2 on a Pearl City jig and 2 on KVD 1.5 crankbait. And how about you, Dylan?
I caught 1 on the Hags Tornado worm on a shaky head. And I cut it a little bit for smaller. Yeah, and I also caught on the Pearl City jig with the Zoom junk on it, and there's only 2 fish I caught. But I also had a couple bites, but I lost it. Lost in the water, and it was a good day.
Yep, so thanks for watching, guys. It's starting to get warmer out, so we'll have more fishing videos for you. But that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.